Hi guys, it's Connor here in Newgate Motor Group. Today I'm very excited to tell you that we have our brand ambassador, celebrity head chef, Gary O'Hanlon from Cake Club, cooking myself and the team lunch here, and all his cooking appliances are going to be powered by our very own Kia electric car range.
Chef Gary O'Hanlon here, proud ambassador of Newgate Motors in Navan, and today I'm going to be cooking a steak, veggie, egg fried rice powered by a Kia EV9.
So with the EV6 you have this adapter here where you can see you can put in a 3-pin plug which you can power electric scooters, little camping trip barbecues, wherever you want you can plug it in. It's a 12.5 kilowatt battery plug and you can charge anything as long as you have a 3-pin socket. You have a 3-pin socket that's actually integrated into the back of the EV9 that is actually powering the hot plate that Gary's using today.
Anytime you're cooking any kind of meat whatsoever, you're absolutely looking for a little bit of a sizzle, okay? The other thing that I always do right off the bat is season. This EV9 is a 6-seater, and my whole mission today is if it's full, I want to be able to feed everybody that's in it, okay? And I can feel the sediment of the pan now coming up off the bottom. Taste at this point. And I've actually never ever cooked a dish out of the back of a car before. Steak and veggie, egg fried rice from the back of a Kia EV9. Who would have thought?